Is that a Supra? Damn straight it is. You asked and we listened. We've got this one-of-a-kind Supra up for grabs. Did I mention? It's got 800 horsepower. Now where should we start? 800 horsepower is a pretty big talking point, so let's start with the engine. It's got a 2JZ fully forged engine. The head has been fully uprated. You've got a Holset turbo that is as big as a bin, a 4-inch exhaust system to get all those fireworks and flames out the back, and an equally impressive intercooler setup to keep those boost temps at bay. Now with all that business up front, you need a pretty beefy setup to put it down to the ground. This is a genuine manual car, but the 6-speed V160 gearbox has been uprated with a Gearbox gear set. You've got a tilt and twin plate clutch, and to put all that down to the ground, you've got a TRD limited slip diff to make light work of those 800 and something horsepower. Now the outside of this Supra is just as impressive as the figures. It's been fully resprayed in 1A1 bronze, carbon side skirts, time coilovers, limited edition smoked Advan wheels which hide some pretty big K-Sport stoppers, which are obviously good for stopping, but they're pretty good anchors if you want to do some fat burnouts. These really are an appreciating classic. Their timeless design and tuning capabilities only add to their desirability. This could be yours for just £9.89. Not only do you win the car, but we'll throw in £2,000 cash with it as well. That's enough to buy some tyres and plenty of fuel. Head over to dreamcargiveaways.co.uk to grab yourself a ticket and follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram for live updates. Good luck.